But to give up everything and run into the forest. Even yogis, they live in the forest, but they stay in a cave. And they seal the cave at night with a big rock. And they burn a fire outside the cave. Because tigers and nighttime animals, predators, are very much afraid of fire. They run from fire. So they're intelligently protecting themselves because of attachment to their body. Even at the highest stages of what's considered the most respectable display of vairagya, living in Himalayas in a cave, just eating the wild berries or fruits, which is rather rare. We met some and seen some. But they don't simply lie on the open mountainside at night. There's some fear. Attachment to fear is also an attachment. There's 18 coverings on the living entity in material consciousness. Doubt, apprehension, hunger, thirst, fatigue, many coverings of the living entities. One is fear, bhayam, very powerful. The gopis, Grihita Manasa, they ran out. They didn't think it's Purnima. And in Purnima, the jungle animals become very, very passionate and very, very hungry